Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tsholo Phoka. On this video, I'm going to be doing a Bentonite Clay mask on my natural hair. I do this treatment on my hair only once per year. The benefits of Bentonite Clay is that it's a detoxifying cleanser that can remove impurities from your hair. Bentonite Clay can also help with irritated scalp from scalp conditions. It encourages cold definition and shine and also moisturizes conditions and softens. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and also the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And so let's get straight to it. To detangle my hair, I'm going to be using rice water. Do tell me on the comment sections if you'd like me to talk about the benefits of rice water and also the results I've had on my hair by using rice water. I have low porosity hair, so I'm just going to heat it up a bit, leave it to cool down, and then I'm going to use it to detangle while opening my hair cuticles. Ingredients I'm going to be using for the mask is apple cider vinegar, Bentonite Clay, and extra virgin olive oil, which is optional because Bentonite Clay on its own can be very drying. We also need some water to do the mix. So I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar and I'm going to put a few scoops into the water. We do this because Bentonite Clay is very alkaline and has a high pH, so it can't be used on its own. There must be at least something acidic to balance it out. The Bentonite Clay, you measure it as how much you might need for your hair. I'm gonna need quite a lot because my hair is medium to long. And then we're just gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, which is very optional, and stir it until it's mixed into a solution. Do not use metal items when you're mixing this mix because Bentonite Clay absorbs metals. Start by separating my hair into sections. I'm gonna apply it in sections, and then I'm gonna use my rice water spray to detangle first. If you want the details on how I detangle my hair, do watch my video on how I wash my natural hair. I'm going to grab a chunk to apply on my hair. I'm just sliding it down along my hair. The most important part is the scalp and our focus area, so make sure you rub it into your scalp because it detoxifies our scalp of impurities. And then I'm just gonna apply it all over my hair. Do apply it fast because this mixture is very fast drying. Once you have put on the bentonite mask on your hair, just put on a plastic or a plastic cap on your hair, and then we're gonna put on a towel and leave it on for 30 minutes, 10 to 13 minutes, you can decide. Once the 30 minutes is over, now it's time to wash it off. I'm just gonna wash it off using water. I'm washing it in the shower because I usually wash my hair in twists, and now it's not in twists, so I do not want it to tangle while I bend my head over the sink. Do watch my hair wash video to see how I wash my hair in twists. Make sure you rinse off all the bentonite clay, and now we are done. So now you can just lightly dry your hair with an old t-shirt because we're still going to deep condition our hair after this. Do watch my hair wash video on how I deep condition my hair. Deep conditioning after doing this mask is very beneficial and very essential. So thank you for watching and goodbye. See you on the next one.